right?
Yes.
So T.O.P is your favorite. It's live right now.
Basically, it's favorite. Yeah.
Big Bang.
I like his voice. I like his suave. I like his
suave, aka swag.
This way, like he move. You know, he move like a slide.
But no, he basically doesn't really dance all the time.
No, but he just have a little dance. But he just like
cool.
And it's like
he's a cool guy. Yeah, that's T.O.P. That's
and then the voice,
original,
the voice. I like the
deep
voice,
bass voice.
You know, the voice coming good.
Anyways, this is my dad.
T.O.P.
My dad, or Papa Dre, as you call it. I don't know what, Mr. Dre.
Man.
And you guys already saw my reaction. I just wanted to show my dad since he likes T.O.P. And I showed him the audio already, and he liked it. The ending part where he killed at the end. So yeah, let's just
watch it, man. Let's watch it. I'm like, you know. All
right.
I hear all about T.O.P. all the time, and I look like him have a good vibe. You know, him sing good.
He raps good, and he kind of sings here.
I like it. I like how his personality.
Okay.
You know, come on. No?
Well, we're about to watch it, so here we go. Press play. It's in the mountains. Doom Dada.
Doom Dada. Dada's is a thing like. I like his music. I like how he bring it. Come hard.
Come hard? Pause.
Come real hard. Look at him, look at him. Whoa.
He's a monkey. Or a caveman. Isn't that actually T.O.P. in there? He found a mic.
He got back to the old age, man. He is old.
He's a Planet of the Apes. They said, like the movie Space Odyssey?
Like an Egyptian, like an Egyptian.
Or Greek, maybe. I don't know what the hell it is. I said it looked like an orgy under the blankets.
That's you know, a thing of, you know.
Just something different.
Yeah.
I was looking at this and...
but
T.O.P.
What expect the man?
Man have a zebra or a horse painted?
Shock you.
He's going fast.
Like I say, he got back to the old time and come back to new time now, you know. I like how I'm seeing it, you know, I'm singing with da 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 da.
That's cool. Got a deer as a pet.
Look at the man suave, just relax.
He's suave, I can see what you're saying, yes. That's what girls like him too.
And then he can go hard.
His eyes though, Jesus. You know girls love that.
I can rap real good. Nice rap, nice flow.
No, but he used to be underground rapper, like a MC battle.
Look at it.
Like a nice beat.
That's that. And the beat is good too.
And then everybody talks about this creepy baby. I don't understand that.
I don't understand that. But
hey, Missy Elliott did weird things.
It's T.O.P.
It's T.O.P. It's being funny. I wonder where this is.
Let's go.
And I looked at it. It looks like it's the evolution of man.
Yeah. Trying to be like a, I don't know what you call it, automatic skills.
Yeah. And then this is at like the end where in the song, you know, he goes super fast. Remember I showed you? Yeah. He's just weird.
Mass media 침착하고서 영감을 감당해 좀 더 드립니다 나 명상으로 제3 세계를 관찰해
And I can bring it all from the new. See what I'm saying? The old and I can bring the new.
생명의 그런 빛을 비추게 돌아 입맛은 인간들의 목소리만 걷돌아 몰아 지그지그 몰아 과열이 된 미디어가 사람들을 몰아
Same shit, show more earth, eruption.
It's called mind blowing.
You mean the brain has blow? Like a bang blow.
Like a bang. Look at that, it's like a hypnotizing. Yeah.
That's it. Well,
that's
it.
Good,
that's man.
It's weird.
T.O.P. is always T.O.P. The man can bring it, man. Real good.
Yeah.
You know what to do. I mean, guy can. Him have that, say, like him have that, you know, suave looking and the voice coming and then and the rap, so it just fluently.
Yeah, he was, like I said, he was a battle
that's
MC.
That's why I said, you know, in the Big Bang, he's one of the best kind of, you know, kind of.
Yeah.
You have different kind of guys, different categories, but you know, he's married, you know. So you know, it's but good man, the man do good. I think he's do good.
T.O.P. That's a single.
I
don't know if he's gonna do an album or that'll be nice.
But take him a long time. I don't know if he's YG.
No. He's in YG. He's doing acting a lot.
Well,
You saw the commercial I showed you for that like commitment. It's kind of like a Taken kind of thing. Yeah, but yeah, that's T.O.P. I know you guys you like him.
No, I like him because you know I like how he sing. I mean I like how he rap, not sing, rap. Because his voice.
He can sing, I think.
And but
he's a good bass voice.
Yeah.
Like doom da da.
You know that some rappers don't have that kind of voice.
They have a tiny voice.
You know?
I mean, there's G-Dragon. He has a tinier voice.
Nah, yeah,
but he's a good rapper.
Very, very good. I mean, he's very intelligent. You know,
Genius. There's Taeyong. But he's a singer, dancer.
He's a singer, dancer.
And he can rap a little bit.
You know, he's like a sexy guy with
the sexy one.
You know, he can just magnify the girls and all that stuff like that. You know, so anyway, I just want to tell you that, you know.
Yeah.
The man do good, alright? He come out good and everything look good. Alright, man. So
alright.
That's it.
Bye to the people.
Papa Dre.
Papa Dre. Bye.